Hey you guys, I'm Shahin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys some cute hairstyles for rainy season. My hair is really thin and gets frizzy not only in rainy season but also actually it happens in every season and every time I step out of my house. It has its own mood, you see. So guys, I prefer tying my hair every time I step out of the house. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and also share your ideas and opinions with me in the comment section below.
Let's jump into the video.
So guys, for my first hairstyle, I'll be taking half of my hair up. I'll be tying it into a ponytail. Now I'll be tying it with a hair tie. I'll twist the ponytail. And I'll be tying it into a bun. Once you're done twisting it, secure it with a bobby pin or any other pin which you have. So guys, here's the finished look. I've tied it into a bun, half tie up bun. And this is how it looks. So guys, for my second hairstyle, I'll be opening up this tie up, this twisted bun actually, and keep my ponytail as it is. Now with this, I'll be tying a normal braid. Or any other braid if you want to. I'm just tying a normal braid. I'll be twisting it over and I'll be securing it with a pin. Use as many pins as you want. So guys, this is the finished look. It is similar to the earlier one, but it gives a little much better look than the earlier one. So guys, for my next hairstyle, I'll be tying a fishtail braid. I'll be taking front section of my hair, divided into 3 equal sections. Then I'll start tying a fishtail braid. I left half of my hair, and this is the finished look. For my last hairstyle, I'll be doing a middle partition in my hair I'll be tying it with a hair tie. With a black hair tie. Then the next one.
Once you're done, you're ready for school. Just kidding.
You have to twist your hair, just as I say, roll it over the band, secure it with a pin. Then on the other side, twist and twist till the end and roll it over. Once you're done twisting, secure it with a bobby pin. And this is the final look. You can open the bun and make another hairstyle like this, which really seems good. Tighten your plaits and this looks really amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching.